In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the check register in QuickBooks. Understanding how to navigate and utilize the check register is crucial for managing your business finances effectively. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to ensure you're able to access QuickBooks by signing in. Simply open up the application or web page, and in the top right corner you'll find a sign in button. Click on that to begin the login process. In the next step, select QuickBooks Online. This selection ensures that you're accessing the correct version of QuickBooks that these instructions pertain to. Once you've chosen QuickBooks Online, you'll need to enter your login credentials. This typically includes an email or username and a password. Don't worry if it takes a moment to remember your details. This step is critical for maintaining the security and privacy of your accounts. After entering your credentials, go ahead and click Continue to proceed. Now that you're signed in, let's move on to the Transactions page. You can find this by looking at your main navigation menu and clicking directly on the Transactions link. This is where all your financial transactions are displayed, making it a vital part of managing your finances in QuickBooks. Following that, navigate over to the Chart of Accounts. This is located in the same menu section on your dashboard. Clicking on this will give you a detailed view of all the different financial accounts that your business uses, including bank accounts, credit cards, and more. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, your next action should be to click on View Register. This step is your gateway to the check register itself. The check register functions as a digital ledger, allowing you to track your checks, deposits, and balances over time. It's an essential tool for ensuring your financial records are accurate and up to date. While in the check register, you have the flexibility to add, edit, or view transactions as needed. So say you need to input a new transaction, update an existing record, or simply review past entries for reporting purposes, this is where you'll do that. Finally, let's wrap up by touching on the inventory starting value. If you need to set or adjust beginning balances for inventory, navigate to the inventory starting value section. This task is typically done when you're setting up QuickBooks for the first time or when introducing batch inventory updates. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use the check register in QuickBooks. By following these steps, you'll be in great shape to keep your business finances organized and transparent. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide helpful in mastering your QuickBooks skills. Remember, taking the time to accurately manage your transactions today can save you a lot of hassle down the road. Happy bookkeeping!